हेलो। दिख भाई, बहुत अच्छे सवाल करना प्लीज। उनका जो ये कलेक्शन है, ब्रिथ कलेक्शन, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। एंड इट्स वेरी थॉटफुल ऑफ हिम। एवरी टाइम ही कम्स अप विद अ वेरी न्यू आइडियाज एंड वेरी डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ ऑन अ वेरी बिग प्लेटफॉर्म। हम लोग को सिर्फ हमेशा फिट और हॉइटी टॉइटी और फिगर और जो परफेक्ट होते हैं, बट देर इज अ लिटिल इम्परफेक्शननेस इन एवरी थिंग, इन एवरी आपको हर कुछ परफेक्ट नहीं मिलता है। तो आई थिंक दिस इज, आई थिंक ड्यूरिंग पेंडेमिक he's got some amazing ideas. During the pandemic भी उन्होंने बहुत सारे ऐसी डिज़ाइंस निकाली and I really liked it. नहीं, this is Stylin करके एक brand है. I'm wearing their this thing and mostly I prefer to wear them, so I'm very comfortable and उन्होंने theme रखी है completely traditional, जो उनकी खासियत है. So I'm very happy and आई थिंक ये हम मेरा पहला ऐसा इवेंट है जहाँ पर मीडिया और सारे लोग हैं. सो इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट फॉर मी राइट नाउ आफ्टर द पेंडेमिक एंड आई एम सॉरी. Yeah, I think with this with collection, the property, I think this Club Illusion, they're all launching this. So my best wishes that with them, and just want to say that everyone just they should just leave the worry and enjoy their life with all the safety and safeguard like safety guards on their sanitizer, mask, सब कुछ रखो अपने पास और come and enjoy and have a look and I'm sure this place is going to be the best. I think अभी तो न्यू ईयर और सब सारी चीज़ें आई है, so good luck. मैं फॉलो नहीं कर पाती हूँ, ऑन एंड ऑफ देखती हूँ, लेकिन जितना भी देखा है देयर आर लॉट ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स आर देयर, मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ देम आई नो. सो जस्ट वांट टू से दैट विशिंग देम द बेस्ट. एंड ये जर्नी बहुत आसान नहीं होती है, जो हम देखते हैं वो बहुत अलग होता है नॉर्मल लाइफ से. एंड जस्ट वांट टू से दैट प्लीज़ वोट करिए एंड जो भी आपके मन पसंदीदा है उन्हें डेफिनेटली वोट करिए एंड उन्हें आगे बढ़ाइए, बिकॉज कई बार बहुत कम समय में अच्छा प्लेयर निकल जाता है. तो जस्ट वांट टू से दैट दैट्स इट्स अ वेरी पेनफुल जर्नी. विदाउट योर सपोर्ट दे कैन नॉट डू एनी थिंग. सो दैट्स इट. मैं मैं आई थिंक अंदर मेरे 2-3 फ्रेंड्स हैं. आई वोंट टेक द नेम. आई एम सपोर्टिंग देम वेरी साइलेंटली, बट विच दे विल, माई फैंस नोज दैट कि मैं किसके साथ हूँ. बट आई एम a very close friend of 4-5 people, so I won't take the name right now, sorry. Thank you, bye. सबको ढेर सारी बधाइयाँ दिवाली की. ये दीपावली और नया साल आपके लाइफ में बहुत सारी खुशियाँ लेकर आए. 2021 will be the prosperous and amazing magical for you. Take care. Here.
Rohit Varma has been a friend since so long, ever after Big Boss, and we are still connected. For so many years, of course, I always wish Rohit all the very best for his birthday. I love him a lot. Even today, I'm wearing him because I like to wear the best, and he is the best. And of course, it's a pre-Diwali party, so it's a two occasion of celebrating today. So it couldn't be a more beautiful night than this. I don't know. I haven't seen it, but I am so excited. I know he's sold out also because I have spoke to him yesterday. So yeah, I just want to meet him at the first floor and just have a chat about his new collection, what colors, what style. But he always blows my mind. It's excellent and absolutely beautiful. So I think you should also have a look in his store in Bandra. Thank you so much. I'm wearing a Rohit sari. So he chose that for me. And I completely blindly trust him. I told him just send me a perfect piece which you think will stand out. And that's what he did. And I am just loving it a lot. So, well, I am always celebrating with my friends, lighting the diyas even in my house. And, I like to adapt to different culture. I like to celebrate Diwali. I like to celebrate Holi as well. So, on this occasion, I would also like to wish everyone, especially this year, a happy, happy Diwali. Let's light that 2020 finally and bring all the challenging times behind us. And I think this is all what we can wish for in this year. I think she's absolutely. She got some really amazing songs and they are on top of the chart list. And of course, her moves are amazing. She's born to do it. So, nevertheless, I wish her all the very, very best. I think she's amazing and she should do what she's best in. Nothing like it. Well, my concentration is not on really songs. I have published my book, Keep Eating, Keep Losing, as a nutritionist, and I'm doing a lot of workshops as well. And there are many things. I have opened my also a new YouTube channel where I am guiding people to take dietary precautions, especially in 2020 in this challenging pandemic times, how to make your immune system better, stronger. So definitely is something what I'm passionate about and something what I want to embrace further. So check it out and you will definitely hear a lot of things. And plus, of course, web CD goes without saying. That's my passion. Acting is always my first love and that's what I'm always going to follow. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, how are you? देखो अगर आप पहले पूछते ना एक्साइटमेंट तो मैं बोलती नहीं, बट आज सच में मैं एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज कोरोना लॉकडाउन के बाद ही मेरी पहली पार्टी है विदाउट मास्क. आई कान वेयर ऑल दिस ड्रेस एंड वेयर मास्क ऑल्सो, सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट. And of course, it's Rohit's party. It's his pre-birthday bash, and it's kind of Diwali thing. और जो उसका collection है, I know Rohit was getting so frustrated in lockdown. मैं पागल हो जाऊँगा, मैं काम नहीं कर रहा हूँ. तो we all were worried about him. We used to keep calling him कि तू ठीक है ना, तू कपड़े डिज़ाइन करता रहे. But I think he's coming back to back all the collection, and I'm very proud of you, Rohit. And keep rocking like this, and I'm always there with you. Thank you. I want to give them level one all the best and all the best, really all the best because after lockdown, all the business has gone down. So I pray that this works well and I'm sure it must be very nice inside. And when I go, एक बार हम ऐसे event में आते हैं, then you like the place and then you keep visiting again and again. So all the best to everyone. Thank you. Take care. चलो. Who's going to come? Come ना इधर लाना.
Arul, hi.
Hi, how are you doing? Good to see you.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
Oh, good to see you.
The long time.
Yes, I know.
Thank you, thank
Oh,
you.
my baby.
So far ये सब ठीक है.
I know.
ये भी साथ में मतलब पूरी पब्लिसिटी मास्क की मास्क भी दिखा रहा ना दिखा के है
दे मेरे को